So, magandang gabi, TNT at saka SMB, no, Game 6. So, wala nang Game 7, natapos na yung series, no. 4 games to 2. So, ano ang ipinakita ng defending champs kung bakit sila back-to-back champs? First quarter pa lang, dumipensa na sila. No? First quarter pa lang, tinambakan na nila yung TNT. No? TNT is groping for form, hindi maka-score. No? Nakikita ko nga si Jared Dillinger, yung si Daredevil, no? Parang pinanonood niya yung game while podcasting in TikTok at nakikita mo lumalabas yung pagiging player niya. Medyo naiinis siya dun sa TNT at the start. So, sa usual basketball game, nagpatambak ka o natambakan ka, mahirap nang bumalik. It takes a lot of mental strength o mental toughness. Kung bumalik ka, bumaba yung lamang and then lumamang ka din nanalo. Well, para namang atang naitabla nila yung laro pero hindi sila lumamang. Okay? Kasi every run that TNT got, may sagot yung San Miguel. Nung second quarter, gumana si Oftana. Pero pagdating nung third quarter, no, dahil alam nila nag-adjust na yung TNT, they go to their weak side rebounding strength. Okay, yun yung hindi na solusyonan ng TNT. No, yung weak side rebounding, no. It's either Junmar posting up or Rodney Bonreal weak side rebound. Pero nangyari is Junmar Fajardo getting weak side rebounding position out of post-ups by Mo Tautua. Diba? Maganda na yung laro ni Rodney Bonreal, no? Pero nung second half, iba na yung rebounding dominance ni Fajardo. Doon dumiin si Fajardo no? Although maganda na yung laro ni Junmar, pero sa second half, pinatunayan niya kung bakit siya 9-time MVP and kung bakit siya ang isa sa pinakamagaling na offensive rebounders, no? Another 20 plus points and 20 plus rebounds kay Junmar. So, that is 11 or 12 offensive out of the weak side. Hindi mo tatalunin yun. Walang antidote doon. Well, ang ginawa sana ng TNT is trying to delay yung offense ng San Miguel. Ginawa naman ni Enciso yun, pero bakit hindi tinuloy-tuloy? They got a guy that can be a one-man press, Gio, di ba? Sana in-start man lang si Gio. No? Gio and the heading sa backcourt. Kasi Gio would take care of the defense and heading would take care of the offense. Kasi ang nangyari, napipilitan si para para may layup na agad yung TNT at si Calvin mabigyan ng magandang pasa out of the turnover. Di ba? Importante pagka sa finals, importante rin yung defense. Yun ay sinasabi doon sa graphic Aminado naman yung kanilang coach na si Chot Reyes. Play good basketball in 48 minutes. Paano mangyayari sa kanila yon when they cannot solve the rebounding problem, which is Junmar Fajardo, Rodney Bonreal, no? Doon mo makikita kapag may tulong sa front line yung isang team. Yun yung halaga ni Rodney at saka ni Mo sa San Miguel. At saka syempre, ito na lang yun no? Hindi ginamit si Wami, no? Ang ginamit nila is si Rosales. Chris Rosales can can defend, and can score. So, anong binigyang emphasis ni Leo Austria? Binigay niya ng yung isang player na nakakapag-orchestrate, nakakapag point guard, pero point guard defender din. Kasi kung si Wami ang gagamitin mo, scoring point guard yun. Diba? Scoring point guard kasi si Wami. So, ang binigyang emphasis dito ng San Miguel, it's their defense. It's not their offense. Nakikita natin yun. TNT came back because of their offense. Pero yung defense, it's all San Miguel from the start. So, yun lang po.